It's actually kind of interesting being back in Intramuros. There's the colegio. Colegio.
Hello!
Hola. ¿Qué tal? Kasabot kag Bisaya, dong? Dong, sige. Istorya tayo Bisaya, kitang duha. Bisaya ba? Ug imong kuan, imong igsuon. Igsuon nimo siya, di ba? Oh, kasabot nimo og Bisaya, unsa man na?
Pinsan.
Oh,
Man.
kwarta. Ako. Hataki ko kwarta, be. They want to ask for money from me. But I'm gonna play a joke on them. I'm so mean. Nakakwarta ka nako? Sige na, pamasko nako. Wala nimo kasabot, ha? Bye. See, and that's how you get rid of street children who just want to beg. Ugh, so annoying. Anyway, I'm really mean, I know. I'm so mean. But yeah, I am up here again. That's just how you get rid of people. You just have to talk to them in another language and they get scared. And that's why it's important to learn other languages. Really, really important to learn just languages in general. Especially here in Intramuros, you know, Spanish is just really important. Look at this. I'm back up top. Back up top on this fort. This place has gotten uglier and rotten. Really ugly. What am I even doing here? You know what? I'm just gonna go out. I think I'm gonna go out that way and get out. Anyway, I'm gonna go and walk. It's almost 5 o'clock. Almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm trying to see if I can get to Binondo from here. Oh, and that's one thing too that I told one of the, I took a Grab coming here from Parañaque, and one of the things that I told him, because he is from Bulacan, and me being myself, I'm very proud to be Dabawenyo, and in Davao we speak Cebuano. So I told him that, you know, hey, we were conversing in Tagalog, and then he pointed out that my Tagalog was really bad. Well, joke's on him, because I started speaking to him in English, and I started talking to him in some in Cebuano words, and there's a McDonald's there. Hoo-yah, America! Hoo-yah! Capitalism. Capitalism's gonna destroy this whole place. Look at this. It doesn't even look so good anymore. But anyway, I decided to talk to him and tell him, like, he started talking to me about how the Cebuano speakers and the Ilocano speakers are starting to forget Tagalog, right? And we went on this whole argument. He and I went this whole argument about learning the Tagalog language, and that shouldn't be the case, you know. And I told him, why should I even speak Tagalog if I'm not even a Tagalog? This is why the Ilocanos, that he said, don't even care about Tagalog, they care about English. And this is also why what he said with the Cebuano speakers, that they don't even care about Tagalog, they just care about their own regional language, Cebuano and English. And to me, I can understand that. Like, I don't understand why we need to learn this language when it's completely useless. Everyone here speaks English. I mean, and we can totally understand them. So I just put it all in his face, and he didn't know what to say. He did not know what to say. Okay, I think I'm gonna come down here. This is gonna be the place where I'll just descend. Descending. But yeah, that's one of the things we'll do. And there looks like there's a lost tourist. And here we go. We descend down, and now I'm lost. I don't know where to go from here. Huh. Oh, this is the old part. Okay. I think that was a restroom, was it? Yeah, it was a restroom. Huh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, this video's already at 5 minutes long. Wow. Yeah, I think this place used to be where little food stalls are. At least it looks like that. But anyway, I need to head back to Binondo somehow into that bridge, and then I will catch y'all later.